Where we at? Woo! Bumper checking. Bumper checking. Ooh. That looks pretty good. Oh, off the light. But we all right.
Shot somebody stand there.
Oh, he's gonna do it.
I hope so, man. He put it up in the air last time. So hopefully he can do it
This
again.
is the smoothest hopper I've ever seen in my life. Locking up the back end. Here we go. Watch this, guys. Look at that. Look how smooth that is. Oh, yeah. Wow. You can do this all day. Where you at? Like 60 something?
Yeah, we right on the money, man. 60, 68, man. Woo! What's up, man?
Woo. When you see the bottom of this car, you're gonna go, wow. I'm telling you. Here we go. Woo! Look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that. Oh! Here we go. Oh, yeah. Look at that. The balance. Oh, bumper checking. One more time. Oh, bumper checking. Got the wheels off the ground.
That's that 100 right there, Mike. That's that 100.
Good job, good job, good job. Give it up for high crew. Here we go. What? Who we got? Who we got? Who we got? That one. The cut dog. The cut dog. There we go. Woo! The cut dog is hot. Woo! All right, guys. So, are we giving it to the Lincoln? Are we giving it to the Oldsmobile?
Funday.